Today we're diving into Vizard, an AI tool that turns your long videos into ready-to-post short clips. And honestly, it's one of those things you wish you had yesterday. I'm going to walk you through the whole thing, from getting started and using the main modes to tweaking the settings when a clip comes out a little weird. Think of this as your backstage pass to making high-quality content faster than you ever thought possible. First things first, sign up by jumping on the Vizard site and using your Google account to make the whole process completely painless. Once you're in, you'll land on a clean, intuitive dashboard that is built specifically for creators who want to move fast. There are two main ways people typically use Vizard: the auto edit mode for speed and the manual clip builder for hands-on control. Auto edit is the crown jewel, where you upload a long video like a podcast or live stream, and Vizard scans it to pick out the absolute best viral moments. It looks at engagement signals, spoken energy, silence gaps, and even facial expressions to spit out multiple short clips optimized for social media. There's no endless scrubbing required here because the AI does all the heavy lifting for you. Manual Clip Builder is for when you want to be specific, allowing you to choose exact in and out points without dealing with a complicated timeline. You can easily combine both modes by letting Auto Edit generate dozens of clips and then going in to refine just the ones you want to tweak manually. When you are ready to generate, just paste a link or upload your file and type a few keywords so the AI knows exactly what to look for. You will see an option called Highlight Intensity, which is basically the refinement dial for the AI. Turn it up when you want dramatic, attention-grabbing sound bites, or lower it if you need safer, more literal segments for your content. There is also a style selector that changes how the AI treats your footage, giving you options like organic, cinematic, or snappy. Try different modes on the same video to see which one fits the unique vibe of your channel. Default specs like vertical formatting and auto-generated captions are baked in so you don't have to fiddle with technical details. Vizard handles almost all of the resolution and frame rate adjustments for you, letting you focus entirely on your creative decisions. Here is the workflow I love. Upload a long podcast. Set highlight intensity to medium. Pick an organic style and let it generate captions. In just a few minutes, you will have dozens of clips ready, which you can drag directly into the content calendar to schedule. Vizard's calendar is legit because it allows you to manage, reorder, and preview exactly what goes live on your socials. The auto schedule feature is the ultimate quiet time saver that handles posting across platforms for you. No more copying files between tools or manual uploads to your social accounts every single day. I used Vizard on a long interview recently, and it pulled out a 30-second cliffhanger quote with a subtle zoom that felt totally professional. In another case, I had a cooking stream where the AI focused on clear instructional steps instead of trying to make every single second dramatic. When a clip feels off, you can adjust your keywords or lower the highlight intensity to help the AI find exactly what you need. If your audio feels messy, simply enable the voice isolation setting or bump up the volume normalization to fix it instantly. One pro tip people miss is that you can give small, specific directions in the description box to guide the AI's selection process. You can even ask for things like no B-roll or no zooms if you want a more raw and literal style for your clips. Vizard also lets you add creative effects like background music or on-screen text by just asking with a short, clear prompt. Compared to other AI tools that just generate images or text, Vizard is a true pipeline optimizer for creators who need real usable content. It understands the rhythm of a conversation, which allows it to pull contextually relevant snippets that other tools just cannot manage. If the AI makes a mistake with face tracking or a jump cut, simply switch the style to snappy or try a different suggested clip. Always take a quick glance at your auto captions and hashtags, because even minor edits can make your content much more discoverable. Vizard isn't trying to do everything, but it excels at turning long-form content into shareable shorts and managing your output efficiently. If you are a podcaster, educator, or streamer who wants to scale without hiring a full-time editor, this is definitely worth a test run. Start with a free trial, throw a few videos into auto edit, and use the calendar to watch your backlog become a steady stream of posts. Vizard makes the messy parts of production invisible, so you can focus entirely on creating great content for your audience. Try it out today, and remember that even small tweaks to your settings can make a massive difference in your results. So happy creating!